So I started building the kitchen area today. So this is the shower, the side of the shower, and the pipes are going to have to come up here for the water to come in. But down here is the kitchen area. So the sink's going to go here. The bench top, which is this ply, is going to come out probably there's a mark somewhere about this far. So I should be able to walk through this gap and have the table in the kitchen there. So it's all bolted down. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do about still not sure about the water, how I'm going to get it there, and whether it's going to be hand pumped or electric, but yeah, so far that's it. So the bench top's cut now, fits in there. Sink will go here, and a small working area for cutting and cooking and stuff like that. And the gap is like this. So it's 38 centimeters between here and 38 centimeters between here, so I can walk through straight. No big problem. It's quite good actually. It's getting dark, so tomorrow I've got to work out how to make it a little more stiff and a little more work out where to cut the hole for the sink. That's the plan for tomorrow. So I've finished the table now, which is good. That's all screwed and bolted down. I've put an edge around it, put on the back wall. I'll put a bead of something along here to fill that gap at some stage, but that's all in and solid. So that's good. I think I've showed in the other videos that the water tank stand here with 40 litres for the shower. When that's all hooked up, a little cooktop will go in there, strapped down for travelling, and it'll just sit up the top. And I was going to put a sink in here, but I couldn't get a sink the right size. And then I thought all I'm going to do with the sink is wash my dishes and then wash my vegetables before I cook them. So I thought I may as well get one of those collapsible fold-up sinks and stick it in this spot down the bottom, and then I've still got all this bench space, because I think the bench space is more practical for the moment than a sink. And I can always, if I want the sink, I can cut a hole out, but I can't always put the hole in, fill the hole in. So I might just wash the dishes. The collapsible sink will sit up here, go down there. I could sit on the floor, or I could put the sink down in the shower, and then the overspray from the water just runs out the shower drain. So that's cool. The shower's pretty much finished now inside. I put the roof in it yesterday. The shower, this is a 12-volt shower, and it plugs straight in the cigarette lighter with a switch. So hopefully that'll work pretty good. I've got to put a shower screen up there, but that shouldn't be a big problem. I'm slow to get near the end now. The ceiling is done. I've got to put this thing around it. I might do that now. And then the floor is last. I'm looking forward to getting the floor done. So yes, bit by bit. And I have to put a cover like this on the other side of the shower facing the front, so it looks finished as well. I'll keep working. I'll put this cover on now, I think, and the fly screen.